Let me show you how to use this twin needle in this machine. This is a brother needle which was given along with this sewing machine. When inserting the needle, make sure that the curved part faces you and the flat part should go inside till this red plastic part reaches on top, and then you tighten it nicely. After fixing the needle, move the hand wheel and see if it is not hitting. See, it is hitting the foot. So then you adjust to come in the center, either to 01 or whatever the design number you have chosen. And then you should start working only after you are sure that it's going in the center. Let me now show you how to fix these threads for each needle. First, you keep this thread, one of the thread, in the spool which we normally use, and take another thread and insert it on the extra spool pin onto the end of the bobbin winder shaft. Now pass the thread under the thread guide and take it down. Take both the thread and guide through the thread take-up lever from right to left as shown. After that, you need to split them and keep it separately. For inserting the thread to the left needle, we have to do it in the normal way behind the needle bar, and then you insert the needle from front to back. Now for threading the right needle, you have to bring down the thread without passing the thread through the needle bar. Pass the thread through the eye of the needle from the front to the back. These type of towels will have raw edges and threads will keep on coming out like that. And I also like this type of towels. So what I am going to do is I am going to fold the edges by 1/2 inch like this, and then take it to the machine and stitch a decorative stitch to make it look more beautiful with the twin needle, so that it will be slightly wide design. So let's see how I am going to do it. It is better to put a pin like this throughout, as we are going to, the folding is going to be below, so it will be easy to stitch it on top. Now take all the threads below the foot, and then you fold the towel 1/2 inch like this, and then you rotate it with the hand wheel first to see if the needle is not hitting anywhere. Only when you do it with the hand wheel, you will be sure that it's going correctly. So now I am going to do the design number 20, and I am slowly going to stitch. When you are stitching with a twin needle, make sure that you don't go in full speed. I am actually stitching very slowly, but I have just fast forwarded on the video to show it quickly. See, actually I am stitching very slowly, and I've also adjusted the speed in the machine. You can see that it is in the center. It is not in full speed. When using double needle, make sure that the width should always be less than 5. In fact, 4 and 4.5 is ideal. If not, the needle might hit and break. Then just chop it up. See, an ordinary towel is looking so beautiful with these kind of edges. And I love these towels. So now, without the threads coming out, I can use it very nicely. See, this is the front side, the back side. So make an ordinary towel to a classic towel. To do these type of Pintex also, we need the double needle and a Pintex foot. So for that, I have given you the link of my video under the description below. These are all the designs which we can do it using a double needle.